In this lesson, you will learn how to project a sketch with Project Intersect. Sketch Project Intersect has many similarities with Sketch Project. The main difference is that we will pick up intersecting geometry. This cylinder clearly intersects the level of this construction plane. Enter your contextual sketch environment and select Sketch Project Intersect. Projected geometry will be added to our sketch plane if our selection intersects our sketch plane. Your selection filter and projection link work similarly as the sketch project commando you watched in an earlier lesson dedicated to sketch project. Your selection filter must cross your Autodesk Fusion sketch plane to project, and you can select bodies if that's more convenient for you. Good job! Let's keep moving forward and see you in the next lesson. Thank you.